The inviting pool beneath Lower Tugonan Falls offers a refreshing respite from the tropical heat, inviting visitors to swim, cool off, and immerse themselves in the natural surroundings. Surrounded by towering trees and the soothing sound of rushing water, it's a perfect spot for relaxation and rejuvenation. The falls are best experienced during the dry season, March to May, when water levels are lower and swimming conditions are ideal. However, the lush greenery and abundant flow during the wet season, June to October, offer a different, equally captivating experience.